Good morning, all of you. Welcome to KGP online classes. I hope you all are doing good at your home and taking care of yourself and your family. This is Environmental Studies class, and in today's class, the topic that we are going to study about, I'm going to introduce that topic by reciting a poem, and you should also repeat after me. Clean up the earth so it could be a sparkling clean place for us all. Clean up the earth so we can see the gorgeous blue and green on our planet. So clean it up so that we don't see any garbage anytime or any day. Clean it up and live in a world of happiness. The world we live in can be cleaned up and we can be happy. So this poem is talking about a clean earth. Okay, a clean earth that will be a happy and beautiful place for us to live in. And how we can do that? By cleaning our surroundings. So today's topic is cleanliness. Okay, what we're going to learn is we're going to learn about cleanliness today in this class. First of all, let me start by telling you the meaning of cleanliness. Cleanliness means to keep ourselves and our surroundings clean, dirt-free and healthy. Now, cleanliness is not a small term. It's a big term that includes many things. First, to keep ourselves clean. Clean, how we can do that? By adopting few healthy habits. Like washing your hands at regular basis, taking a bath daily, trimming your nails, all the healthy and clean habits. And what does our surroundings include? Our surroundings include your home where you live. You should always keep your home clean and safe for yourself. Next is your school, your classrooms where you study. You spend so much time there, so definitely you should keep it clean. Third is your playground where you go to play. It should be clean. And all the public places that you go and visit with your parents, that should be clean and safe for us. Okay, so now that we have learned the meaning of cleanliness, but how can we keep ourselves clean? Okay, the question arises here that how can we keep ourselves and our surroundings clean? We can do that by adopting few good cleaning habits. Okay, so these are here a few some healthy habits to adopt for cleanliness. Number one, and most important, especially during these tough times, wash your hands regularly for at least 20 seconds with soap and water. This is really important for you guys, for us, for everyone, for our safety, that we need to clean our hands for at least 20 seconds or more, and that too with soap and water, and very properly. Okay, all the parts of the hand, all the area should be covered. Second is we should brush our teeth twice a day. One, when you get up, and second, when you have taken your dinner and you're going to sleep. We should clean our teeth twice a day. Take a bath every day. This is also really important. You should not be lazy and always clean your whole body daily. That's really important. Cover your mouth with a handkerchief while sneezing. When you're going to sneeze or you're going to cough, you need to cover your mouth with a handkerchief. That's really important. And if you do not have a handkerchief, what should we do? we should sneeze at our arm or elbow area like this. Okay, you should not use your naked hands to sneeze, otherwise all the germs will stick here, and if you touch your face, all the germs will be all over your face. That can harm you. Now the next is always dump garbage in the dustbin. Whenever you go out, or even if you are at your home, you should just not throw the useless garbage or things anywhere in the house. You should always dump the garbage in dustbin. Okay, dustbins are made for that only. Trim your nails on a regular basis. Trimming your nails is also really important because we eat our food from our hands, and if you do not clean your nails on regular basis, many germs will born here and that will harm you. Do not eat uncovered food. It's really important because the food that we take in goes inside us and it gives us energy. But if we eat the uncovered food, unhealthy food, it will, instead of giving us energy, will harm us and we will get sick. Wear a mask in public places. During these times, it is really and most important thing to do. Whenever you move out, whenever you go in a crowded place, in any public place, please wear a mask and tell your parents to do the same. Ask your adults, your parents, that you need to keep a mask, you need to wear a mask whenever you visit a public place, whenever you go out from your home. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to end this video here. So in this video, we have studied about the term cleanliness, that what does cleanliness mean. Cleanliness is a big term and it includes to keep ourselves as well as our surroundings clean. And we have learned about a few healthy habits that we should adopt to keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Okay, watch this video carefully and we will continue this chapter in our next video. Thank you.